Everyone seems to be investing a lot of money in cryptocurrency nowadays, and they have been reaping the benefits from it if they invested in it wisely. With the Metaverse and its various trends being something everyone seems to be interested in, many who wish to make money out of this platform wonder if a bull run in crypto can make them rich. Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Join us as we discuss everything you need to know about how a bull run in cryptocurrency could make you a billionaire in Bloktopia. First up, there are two terms that are used to describe the performance of stock markets. One is bear and the other is bull. In this case, the market is appreciating in value. It's known as a bull market. And if it's depreciating in value, it's known as a bear market. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and fluctuates very regularly. The bull market and bear market are terms that are used to describe performance levels over long spans of time due to the nature of the crypto market. Thus, an upward or downward movement can be noticed depending on various factors. So now, let's just tell you what a bull market actually is. In simple terms, a bull market refers to a market that exists during economically favorable conditions. This means that if there is an uptrend, the market is on the rise. It's also important to note that there is a sustained increase in asset prices in such a market, and it's more often than not accompanied by a strong economy as well as high employment levels. This applies to cryptocurrency markets, and it's quite common to see strong and consistent bull run crypto phases. Crypto markets are quite small when compared to traditional markets, and thus this makes them all the more volatile. In simple terms, a bullish market is said to stand for some sort of optimism that the asset's value will rise. In the crypto market, cryptocurrencies grow in value when the economic conditions are favorable and the investors look forward to making profits from their rising crypto portfolios. The investor starts making purchasing securities usually. Many also use fiat currency instead of securities, as the price of securities is usually quite high in bullish markets. The bull market goes on as long as the supply is always more than the demand. But there comes a point where the demand exceeds the supply, and this is when the market shifts from being a bullish market to a bearish market. A common question that many wonder about is, what causes a bull market? Well, investors are the ones who start the bull market, and when they feel that the prices will rise, they start buying stocks at a low price and are quite optimistic about their return on investment. Due to this, the stock price rises. The same applies to the crypto market too. Apart from this, the bull market can also emerge due to low unemployment rates or strong GDPs. It's also important to note that crypto is relatively new and is a whole different niche that could have some other unique factors of its own that drive its market to be bullish. Some factors that the crypto bull runs may be driven by include pop culture support like what happened with DJ Khaled and Paris Hilton in 2017. The introduction of institutional capital like MicroStrategy's $650 million Bitcoin investment could also be another influencing factor that causes a crypto bull run. Growing optimism from traditional finance and unique events that threaten traditional finance are also other factors that can cause the crypto market to turn bullish. The characteristics of the crypto bull market are quite unique, and they include strong demand despite weak supply, overpriced projects, increased prices over a certain span of time, increased investor confidence in the respective market, and good news resulting in the rise in prices. A small drop in price when bad news arises is also another characteristic of the crypto bull market. So now, what is a bull run in the world of crypto? It is a span of time where investors purchase the various cryptocurrencies and holds various characteristics such as high market confidence, rising prices, and demand exceeding the supply. It's also important to note that the confidence that the investor has in their respective crypto is a major driving force of the market. If you're new to the world of crypto and are hoping to invest in the bull market, firstly, you'll have to recognize and understand the trends of the past early so that you can buy the crypto early. This will then give the investor the benefit of selling the crypto at a higher price later on when the market prices are hitting their peak. But the good thing is, markets usually last long, and hence, the losses are not huge nor permanent. In the case of a crisis or regulatory intervention, the chance of a bear market emerging is possible. Thus, in such situations, the investor must reduce their positions, especially if they own crypto that is not so famous as the rest. The investor could also move the holdings into assets such as precious metals and cash, and this would only be a temporary affair. The reason why such assets were chosen is because they hold a better chance of surviving a crash in the market. As we mentioned earlier, the price of crypto at the end of a bullish market is more often than not priced low. Thus, the investors must keep their eyes peeled for such an opportunity to rise, before which they can increase their investments by taking advantage of this opportunity. Many are usually faced with the dilemma of whether they should invest during a bull run or during a bear run. Quite a few crypto traders wish to benefit from lower crypto prices, and hence they buy crypto during a bearish market. But when the bullish markets arise, the investors who put in their investments usually get a solid profit out of it. Furthermore, buying during a bullish market helps contribute to the uptrend, and this increases the profits as well as strengthens the market. It is important to know that both bullish and bearish markets come with their own set of boons and banes, and thus, to not face negative consequences, having a look at historical trends as well as being updated with the latest crypto news can help save one from making a horrible decision. Bears and bulls are something investors run into all the time, especially if they have been in the market for a long time, so investing in both is a good idea. Bloktopia is a virtual skyscraper that many may consider both a place to learn as well as make money. The platform heavily runs on crypto, and hence, knowing about the bull run and how to benefit from it can help one become very rich. In fact, one can indeed become a billionaire if they invest in the market smartly during a bull run. Bloktopia has a wide variety of money-making opportunities that include earning through virtual real estate, earning by leasing out a place for advertising, and so much more. All of these transactions will be crypto-based, and thus in the time of a bull run, the profits that come out of the earnings will be amplified. One can make money from Bloktopia during the bull run by using the previously mentioned strategies. Apart from those strategies, once the investor masters the art of studying the patterns, they can use strategies pro traders use, such as look out for the rectangle pattern while the bull run is going on. One basic tip that both new as well as experienced investors must follow is that one must look into the history of the market and observe the patterns of bull trends. This would definitely help in the prediction of new ones, and thus the investor could also be able to formulate strategies that could be used to make the most profits from the market. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly changing, and thus keeping track of the latest news and updates not only educate individuals on the latest happenings of the industry, but also exposes them to trends. This news on crypto has various experts giving their 2 cents on the industry and the market, and this could be converted into tips and tricks that could be used while investing. No matter how big or small the investment is during the time of the bull run, one must always remember that the risks that come along with strategies always exist. Thus, it's best to conduct one's own research before investing time, money, and resources in it. What are your thoughts on how the bull run in crypto can make anyone on Bloktopia a billionaire? Drop your thoughts in the section under. On that note, we've reached the end of today's video. Hope you had a great time with us today, and we can't wait to have you back. Do drop this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and push the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our channel. See you real soon.